What's going on, guys? We got another package from AdvanBlack today. Big old box. This one is a razor tour pack, so it's a little bit smaller from the other one. So we'll go ahead and put it together, put it on the bike, and do a little show and tell. And then later we'll do another video with the Keen tour pack and the razor. So there's a Keen, a chopped, and a razor. It has measurements on the website. That can be kind of confusing. It's just better for me and for some of you if I just stick a couple helmets in one and then stick some other stuff in the other one, and so you can kind of get an idea of what they can fit, what you're looking for. And like I said, and then the chopped will be right in the middle. I might just open this from the bottom. Might make it easier just with all the stamps and stuff. Once again, packaged very well again. This is the plate that goes in the bottom. Alright, come here. Woo. After I got this, or after I made the order, I was thinking I should have got black hinges and handles on it, but oh well. It'll still look really good. Alright. Give it a good look over. It's a little dirty, but I have to wash it up. I'm going to put fingerprints all over it anyway, so go ahead and open it up. Oh wow, yeah, he stuffed this thing full for me. Alright. So we've got the keys and the bolts that go through it that mount it to the actual rack. We've got some Velcro or magic tape or whatever you want to call it. Hook and loop. It looks like we got a liner. Awesome. And we got the backrest. Alright. Alright, and on the razor it comes with a smaller backrest and with like a little flap. I believe you can get this one for the chopped as well. It's just got 3 little nuts here. It's kind of nice. It's got their little AdvanBlack logo on the back there. And that'll just go through 1, 2, and 3 right there. Alright, so I got a couple of the nuts in my hand. And I'm just going to route this through here. Through these holes here. And then start a couple nuts on it. Just with my fingers, and then we'll get a ratchet on it. We got, like I said, we got 2 of them started. Just got to throw the 3rd one on there. And then I believe this is a little 10 mil nut here. Now once again, this is ABS plastic, so don't go too crazy on the torque. Alright. She's on there. So you can see the nice little reel in there that keeps the tether in here, so it's not all flopping around inside or getting stuck in the bag when you open and close it. There's our headrest. It's put on there. So now he's got to put the mounting rack on. Alright, so the mounting rack will come in a different box. Like I said, you can get this in chrome or black. And it comes with these latches. They're just like the ones at Harley. And they say AdvanBlack on them. And I'm actually going to swap these out. Just for some added security, I'm going to put these on there. The rack has 4 slits in it. That's where your bolts will go through. They'll drop through the tour pack, and then you'll have nuts on the bottom. They're slotted, so you can move the tour pack forward or back however you like it. Well, this is where it gets kind of tricky because you can't really lay it down and do the rack. Alright, now the mounting plate, it has a a curved edge and then the 3 straight edges. So the curved edge goes up against the where your backrest would go. And then you're just going to go ahead and drop these 4 screws down through. We got 4 nuts and 4 washers. We'll put those on the bottom here. Alright, so on the bottom, like I said, it's just got the bolts here, so you're just going to put these nuts and washers on the bottom. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. That should be really good. And it's on there. Now you gotta wipe some fingerprints off it.